If your backyard looks like a dinosaur convention, you're seeing burung besar. If a shadow makes you look up and gasp, you're watching a giant fly by. If your sandwiches are suddenly endangered, welcome to Bird World. Burung besar, giants of the sky. First, the largest flying bird can span over 3 meters across. That's wider than most cars. Second, some big birds migrate thousands of kilometers. Navigating with the sun, navigating with the stars, navigating with magnetic cues. Third, their beaks and wings evolved for survival. Thermal soaring. Bonus, many are crucial ecosystem engineers, but habitat loss threatens them. Follow for more wild nature bites, quick, curious, giant-sized.